Hi, welcome to Easy Steps. Today I'll be showing you how to restore your iPad 1 to factory settings. As you can see, this is the first generation iPad. So first thing we're going to do is go into settings, go to general, go all the way down, and where it says reset, click it, and do the second one. It says erase all content and settings. This will erase everything and go back to factory settings. So you click it, click erase, it'll ask again, erase. So as you can see, we have our iPad 1 fully restored to factory setting.